Do you want to see all the details of notifications even when your Samsung Galaxy phone is locked? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to enable detailed notifications on your phone's lock screen. If you need to see all the information from notifications immediately without unlocking your phone, this guide will show you an easy way to set up this option. Without further delay, let's get started. First, you need to check if notifications on the lock screen are enabled. You can do this by opening Settings. Then, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Once you've opened Notifications, look for the Lock Screen Notifications option and tap on it. If this option is turned off, tap the switch at the top of the screen to turn it on. Next, tap on Show Content and then tap the gear icon next to it. This will open a page where you can choose which apps you want to show notification content on the lock screen. Once you've finished with this, exit the settings and go to the home screen. On the home screen, tap and hold on any empty part of the screen. Then, at the bottom of the screen, tap on Wallpaper and Style. This will open the page for changing backgrounds and styles. You will see two screens, the lock screen on the left and the home screen on the right. Tap on the lock screen. Now, tap on Notifications, which is located just below the clock and widgets options. Here, you can choose how you want notifications to appear on the lock screen. We are interested in the Details option. Tap on it. You will now be able to adjust the transparency of the notification display, which allows you to determine how visible the notifications will be through the lock screen. You can do this using the transparency slider within this option. When you finish adjusting the transparency, tap Done in the upper right corner. When any notification arrives, such as messages, emails, or app notifications, it will be displayed with all the details you've enabled. It should look something like this. This will also be the end of this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon in my next video, and thanks for watching.